When it comes to the programming wise and all of that, sometimes we also have very good students that we normally bring from the universities and train them, and they can be able to help. But the long-term process of taking the requirements and taking it to the market takes longer. And that is where, if you don't have a very deep pocket, there's no way you can be able to take on any huge project that are applicable to Ghana, because we have a lot of software out there. But if you want to bring it to Ghana, you have to do a lot of customizations, and sometimes you also need the people from outside to stay here to support it. So what we are also saying that, why don't you give us the solution, develop it, and let's support it, because the people who developed it are here. And then we can be able to export it within West Africa, because the distances here are very short. To travel from here to Liberia, to travel from here to Nigeria, all these places are very, very short. I have to fly somebody from UK, India, and the US. We have the software solution that we've done, which is like the human resources and payroll software that we did in Ghana. We have sold it to a lot of the insurance companies and some of the banking sector. So that HR payroll, everything has been localized. Like, for example, if you have to bring Oracle HR payroll here, you still have to bring somebody who can rewrite the entire application to localize it, to take Ghana laws into place before you can run the payroll. So we have done that one, and it's also working very well. We talk about the biometric identity verification. We've also designed a solution in such a way now that if you go to the bank and you present your voter's ID, you should be able to, we should be able to verify it for you, so that the banks on one hand know that they are dealing with the legitimate person. So if they are giving you a loan, if they are giving you any type of services, they know they are dealing with the right person. So that specific solution has also helped the banks. So what we at Bsystems, what we are trying to do now is to look for specific problems that can help the bank. So at the end of the day, I always believe that because there's so much default rate in the country, the banks are also not willing to reduce their interest rate, because a lot of people are trying to dupe the banks. The banks are losing money, so they rather keep the interest rate at that higher rate. But if everything is in place, that the default rates are low, maybe they can bring the interest rates down. So we work with them, looking for different solutions to shore them up, put the technologies in place to help them. So at the end of the day, their cost of operation will also go very, very low. Yes.